you never get lonely without a demon?
Bears are made to be solitary.
I love that they are making this discussion into the show about the demons. Having one, not having one, why?
I was a Svalbard bear, a prince. But I broke the rules and I was sent away. I killed another bear.
Who did you kill?
That is not the important question.
Why?
Why did I kill? Bears should not kill other bears, Lyra.
She'll trick them.
Nah.
Trick them. Bears see tricks and deceit as plain as arms and legs. You cannot trick a bear.
Oh yes, you can.
My father.
She can.
But you are not a bear.
You're wrong. Some part of me is definitely there.
Nah.
You're not scared, are you?
It's not gonna be into the dark. I can't see anything.
I shall master the fear.
I'm sorry for the lights, but I couldn't see anything.
I'll go alone. Wait here and keep watch.
I'm not ready. I don't know how I'm gonna react.
I am frightened. I should master it. Don't act. Don't.
Oh.
I'm frightened. I should master fear.
I have this image about what she's gonna see. That's it, I have already tears in my eyes.
Lyra, is that who I think it is? Billy? How long has she been here? Where did he come from?
Billy? It was not Billy into the books, it was...
No, Lyra, keep away.
They are using Billy?
I know we should help him, but I'm scared. Mom's been waiting for you.
That's even worse! To use Billy for that play, for that role, you know? Into the books it was an almost anonymous boy. Oh, fuck! Macosta, when she's gonna discover Billy like that, oh no! No, 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 no. No, 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 no! Don't do that! No!
He was without his demon, like a ghost.
Yes.
Like he wasn't there.
Ooh.
He couldn't hear me to us than anything. Why would they take someone's demon?
Because if you can remove someone's soul, you can do anything. Without really.
I know that it can be a good idea to use Billy for that boy.
Why did you take Rob? What did I do?
But it's so hard, it's even harder now to see that.
John, you look at me. Close. Since pain.
Oh, Macosta.
You can go to Rata. You can go to Rata. With you.
I knew that it was gonna be hard, but the fact that it was Billy, it was harder and harder and harder than what I thought.
I have the wife's bank and found a money trail. He wanted to make sure his family were being looked after.
Anything new about the window before?
There's probably answers in that house.
He died.
Now we know what terrible wickedness these people are capable of. Now we can see our duty plainer than ever.
I don't want to cry again. They want to kill me, really. Oh, I was like, this is the end of the episode, please. I don't want it to be the end of the episode. It's too much for me, but fine, it's not the end. That's the gobblers are taking her. We're gonna see it. It's really a long episode, or is it just me who is feeling like that? We are in it, into the station.
Do you have a name?
Lizzie?
Lizzie. Works. You have a... Is that a third?
Don't touch him! How dare you?
She looks on the verge of change, don't you think? She's category A, prepper for immediate treatment.
You're not gonna do it during this episode?
Everything? Everything. I see it too. It's like my baby was wearing.
Yes.
Is it
No trailers, no trailers. You know my rules. I don't want to see trailers for the next episodes. I want to be surprised by a show, so I'm not watching trailers for episodes, just for seasons. We saw a lot of stuff during this episode. It's only 55 minutes. Only, I'm saying only because it's a long episode, but the other ones were also long like that. And it didn't feel long like this one was, because we saw a lot of stuff during it. We saw Will, we saw the mother of Will, all of that thing about the letters, how much they are important for the mother of Will, but also for the other ones. We saw Lyra who wanted to go into that town, but she had to discuss about that with Macosta and then with Lordfa, and then she went with Yorek and they had a discussion together, and then they saw Billy, they took Billy to the Egyptians, Billy died, we saw the funeral of Billy, we saw Lyra being taken by the gobblers, we saw Lyra into the station, like we saw a lot of stuff are happening into that episode. Again, I'm gonna say that it's fast, and again you're gonna say to me, oh no, it's happening like that into the books. I know, but for me it felt like something fast. About what is happening into that episode. About Will. I said it, I think, a lot at the beginning of this episode, but I'm gonna say it again. I don't like that we are seeing the other world so soon, and I was already against it during the second episode, so of course I'm gonna be against the fact that we're seeing Will just right there in the episode 5. I know some of you are gonna tell me that what happened at the beginning of the second book is happening in fact during that time of the first book, so it's logical that we're seeing all of that because the ones who are making that show are really trying to mix all of that, and that can be interesting. And okay, I've got it, I've got your point of view, and that's your opinion, and I'm respecting it, and I can even see the logic, behind that. I can even see that it's logic, and I can understand what they are trying to do, and I can understand also why you are loving it, but me, I'm not loving it because it's not my opinion, and it's not my way of seeing the adaptation of the first book. For me, really, the first book was really about Lyra's universe, and the step that she's taken at the end of the first book, to go into that second world. What is happening at the end of the first book, it's really the opening for the other worlds, and that's why we are not seeing them before, and that's why also we are focusing on Lyra, on her universe, on the rules of her universe and all of that, and that's what I loved into the first book. So if you are already showing all of that, for me, it's a no. For me, it's not working because that's not how I imagined the adaptation of the books, but also that's not how I loved the first book, you know, what I loved about it. So please respect my opinion. I'm saying that because, you know, that's the first time that it's happening for me, that I have not a lot of dislikes, but a lot of comments which are saying to me like, oh, you don't understand, oh, you are annoying because you are talking too much about the books, oh, stop. Each time I'm warning you. In each episode since the beginning, we are already at the episode 5, and I'm always warning you that I'm gonna make comparisons, that I can't be wrong about some things because I read the books, but it was a long time ago. Each time I'm saying it, but each time I'm having that kind of comments. So yes, even when I'm giving my opinion about an episode, I had the impression that I'm forced to also repeat it again and again, that it's my opinion and you can have yours, but please just respect mine and stop telling me that I'm stupid or that I'm so wrong about my opinions. Please respect that. I don't know why I'm mad. So yes, for me it was too soon for Will, of course, but if I'm looking at it with an open mind, I love that we're meeting him because of course I was in love with Will when I was a teenager. Of course I was in love with his character. So of course I love that we're meeting him, and he's really great. The actor is really great in my opinion. And what we are seeing about it, it's little things, you know, it's not big things, so it's not bothering me, not yet. I think that we're gonna see more into the next episodes, and maybe it's gonna bother me a lot more. But for this episode, for meeting him, it was already a lot to meet him, so maybe that was a good thing that they are not giving it all, you know, during this episode about Will, because I would be really mad. Right now, I'm just mad again that we are seeing stuff about the other world so soon. But okay, why not? It's your version of the books, it's your way of doing it, mixing the two worlds. You made that choice with the second episode, so that's almost logical that we're gonna see him during this season. You are continuing on that. I mean, the writers, they are continuing on that. So yes, it's logical with what you are doing with the adaptation of the books, but still, I'm not okay with that. All of that thing about Lyra going into that town was really great because they are really taking the time to talk about it before, you know, with Yorek, with Makosta, all of what it meant, you know, to be without a demon and all of that. I'm surprised that they are using Billy for that, because for that I'm pretty sure that I'm not wrong. I think that into the books it's not Billy, it's an almost anonymous boy, you know. Yes, that's it. It's Tony Macarius, it's not Billy Costa. It's Rater, the name of the demon is Rater, but it's not the Rater of Billy Costa, it's the Rater of Tony Macarius. I think that it's a good idea, you know, to make that change with the books. I'm not against it because, like I said, it was even hard for me to imagine them discovering that thing about the intercision during this episode. So to do it with Billy Costa, it's even harder for me, but it's also a surprise, you know, for the viewers who already read the books. So that's great because the writers are still surprising us with making that choice, and it's a good thing for the fans of the books and for the new viewers also, because it brings something more, you know, to that situation. It's even harder, you know. It's already sad, you know, to discover that about the intercision, and it's just breaking our hearts to know that it's Billy Costa and to see Makosta being like that. I think for me it's a good choice. I mean, for the show, to use a scenario like that, to use the character of Billy like that, it's a good choice, even if it's really hard to see that. But I want to check if the real Billy is okay or not at the end. I'm not remembering it. Yes, if you want to have a good news, if you are really sad that Billy died, into the show, be aware of the fact that into the books is alive, is free, is with his family, is okay. I needed to check that, to reassure me. Like, I cried, they've got me, they really got me with that change, and like I said, it's okay for me. So okay, at the end we are seeing Lyra being taken by the Gobblers and being into that station. So during the next episode she's gonna meet with Roger again, and she's gonna meet with Mrs. Coulter again. Yeah. That's gonna be... no, that's gonna be difficult. But yes, I had the impression that they rushed everything during this episode. Maybe it was just an impression, but it felt like that. I can't say that I love this episode, and I can't say also that I love this show, but I love so much to be into that universe, to discover again that universe, to be there in the north with Lyra, with Pantaleimon, that of course I love some aspects of it, but some others are really bothering me. I know that I have to accept that the show is not gonna be a full loyal adaptation of the books, and again I'm okay with that, and I'm even saying that I'm okay with them creating new scenes, and I think that it's necessary and all of that. I'm okay with some change that they are making, like this one about Billy during this episode. Like, if you know that I'm okay with that, so don't tell me that I don't understand what they are trying to do, that I'm really just stupid to make comparison with the books. Don't tell me that, because really I'm accepting some change that they are making, but some others are really bothering me. So yes, I have trouble to say that I love this episode and that I love this show, but I love to be back into that universe, and that's enough for me, to continue to watch this season and to make reaction videos also about this season. But I have to be honest also with you, I want to be honest with you. I don't know if I'm gonna make reaction videos for the season 2, if we're gonna have a season 2. Because really I received some bad comments on my last reaction videos about the last episodes of His Dark Materials, and I can understand some, because I was wrong when I was mad, when Lyra discovered the truth about her mother and her dad. I said that it was too soon, that it was not happening like that into the books, and I was wrong with that. I even admitted it, in the intro of the next episode. I said it, but of course when you are just watching that reaction video about me being mad during that episode, you can think, oh, she's just stupid, she's saying bad stuff about the books and wrong stuff about the books, she's just criticizing the show just because she wants to criticize it no matter what. And it's wrong, it's so wrong, and I'm tired of justifying myself into the comments, but I can't not respond also to the comments, because I'm really not thinking about that channel like that, by just making my video and not responding to you. No, I'm making these reaction videos to discuss with you on the comments about series, about things about the shows that I loved. Or maybe I can continue and just stop to respond to the comments of this show. Maybe just that, but I don't want that, because some of you who are watching my reaction videos about this show are nice, are just sweet, and I want to respond to you, and I can't just... I don't know, but I want to be honest with you. I know that I'm gonna make reaction videos for all of this season 1, but I don't know if I'm gonna continue for the season 2, because if the fans who are watching it are so mean in the comments and are just watching the reaction parts, you know, and are not listening to my explanations into the intro and the review. You know, you are taking the time to comment, but you are not taking the time to hear me, to really hear me, and you are giving me thoughts that are not mine, and it's annoying for me, and I don't want to lose my time, my energy, and my good mood, you know, with that. So, I don't know. But yes, I prefer to warn you, for those of you who are nice, who are polite into the comments, and who are loving my reaction videos, I don't want you to be frustrated if I'm not making them for the second season. I prefer to warn you that I'm thinking of it. It's happening, you know, with all of the shows that I'm watching, but not so much. You know, for this one, for Is Dark Material, it's really a lot to take into the face and to read, and I'm really reading all of your comments. I'm not responding to all of them, but you have to be sure that I'm reading all of them. I have notifications for all of your first comments, but I don't have notifications when you are responding to one comment, you know, into... I think that you can understand that. So of course I'm even reading the bad ones. And again, I have bad ones for all of the shows, but not so much that I have for this one, you know. So yes, I'm thinking of it. I prefer to be honest with you. But I'm so glad that I have my books back about this one. I don't have the time to read them. I'm so glad. Just the covers, it's enough for me to smile and to be a child again. Look at them! They are so great. I love them. Stop. It's all for Is Dark Materials for today, so it's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Hey.